In this step, we're going to be mounting the magnetic switch. The parts we need are the magnetic mounting bracket, the magnetic switch mounting strap, and the magnetic switch. Plus, you might need some wood for spacing. Hold the magnetic bracket in one hand and the magnetic switch in the other on or near the top left corner of the garage door. Check to see if when the magnet bracket is mounted to the garage door, can the magnetic switch be mounted to the wall securely and line up with the magnet in the bracket. In this example, you can see we had to use a piece of fur stripping to bring the magnetic switch to a position that was acceptable for this application. And now attach the furring strip to the garage wall with screws. Mount the magnet bracket to the garage door using 2 self-tapping metal screws supplied with your kit. Twist the magnet switch wires around a small rod or screwdriver to give the wires a spring effect. This is to take up the slack in the wire. Then line up the magnetic switch to the magnet and bracket, leaving about a ½ gap. Now release the red safety rope on the opener in order to move the garage door manually up and down to check for enough clearance between the magnet and drum or any other obstructions. A hint, it may be necessary to cut the plastic on the magnet bracket to mount it closer to the center of the door, away from the drums or other hardware. Up next is the wiring of the control box, but first you will select which type of opener you have from the menu page to get the correct wiring instructions for your opener.